Hi, today we will see 8th standard Sanskrit and this is Gayata Nandata, that is a little poem. Let's start. This is rainy season is going on and it's raining everywhere. And let's start. Sarsar ayanti varshadharaha atra prasannaha sarve jivaha vrukshaihi praptam navajivanam nrityanti modena balaha satatam. Sarsar Ayanti Varshadhara. Ayanti is to come and Varshadhara is rain. So rain arrives. Ayanti is to come. So rain comes or rain arrives. Sar 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 sar. The आवाज कसा येतो? The sound which we hear is like sar 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 sar. Okay. Atra prasannaha sarve jivaha. Atra is here. Prasannaha is very much happy or cheerful, delighted. Sarve jivaha, that is everyone, all. Sarve is everyone, all, and jiva is life. So you just say everyone. Vrukshaihi praptam navajivanam. How are trees? The trees around everywhere have become green. So that's all green, green everywhere. So they are very happy. So Rukshaihi Praptam Navajivanam is trees have got new life. In summers they were all dried up. So we were thinking, अरे झाड़ तो सब सूख गया है. But now they have got new life. Like they have become happy. They have become green, green everywhere. So they have got new life. Nrityanti modena balaha satatam. Nrityanti is dancing. Modena is very happily. Balaha is children. Satatam is like always, like every now and then. So they are always dancing happily. Dhap dhap patanti jalaprapataha. So dhap dhap is like the sound. They are saying dhap dhap patanti. Patanti is fall. Fall. Jalaprapataha. Jalaprapata is waterfall. Okay, so the waterfalls which fall are the sound it makes is like dhap 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 dhap. Okay, the waterfalls, if you go and see waterfalls, you can see you can hear the sounds like dhap dhap patani. So waterfalls are falling like dhap 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 dhap. Drow drow kurvanti kupamandukaha. Drow drow is like kupamanduka is frogs and they are like doing drow drow drow. The sounds which they do is like drow drow. Kupamanduka is frogs. When the rain just arrives and you'll see the frogs everywhere making sounds happily. They're all delighted, right? So they make sounds like drow, drow, drow. Then, if in rural places, if you visit, you can always see, always hear frogs making sounds like drow, drow. In cities, you don't hear these days. Tap tap gayanti Parneshu Bindava. Tap tap. So Parneshu Bindava. Parneshu is on the leaves. Tap tap Gayanti. Tap tap. Now everywhere you are getting sounds like sir sir, then dhab dhab, then drown drown. Now it is tap tap. So tap tap Gayanti. Gayanti is singing or sing. Parneshu. Parneshu is on the leaves. झाड़ के जो पत्ते होते हैं झाडांची जी पानं असतात त्याच्यावर यू कॅन सी बिंदव दॅट इज ड्रॉपलेट्स ऑफ वॉटर पानांवर जेव्हा हे पडत ड्रॉपलेट्स ते आवाज येतो टप 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 एकदा ओके देन so tap tap gayanti parneshu bindu. So how are the droplets? Droplets are like singing on the leaves like tap 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 like that. Pakvat khadane magna janaha. So pakwata is something which is fried like bhajia. Like vada pav. This is pakwat khadane in eating fried things, bhajia khane mein. Magna is engrossed, jana is people. They are all busy or engrossed in eating fried things. Okay. Then Krishnan meghan pashya akashe dhadam dhudum dhadam dhudum garjanti te. Then again Krishnan meghan pashya akashe dhadam dhudum garjanti te. Jalena klinnam jatam angam dho 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 varshanti megha satatam. So Krishna is the color, like Krishna and Meghan. Krishna is Lord Krishna, but here the Krishna meaning is the dark clouds. Okay, Meghan is clouds. The dark clouds, Pashya Akashe, see in the sky. dhadam dhudum, garjanti te. Now in rainy season, when it, when it like it thunders like very much, dhadam dhudum, and we get scared. So it is like the sounds they are making. And garjanti te, it is like the clouds are roaring, like, okay. Jalena klinnam jatam angam. Jalena is with water. Klinnam is totally drenched. पूरा भीग गया है. आपण पूर्ण भिजून गेलोय. जातम अंगम is sharir has totally become your all anga has become totally wet. Okay, you're all drenched in water. So klinnam is, you can say, totally wet, totally wet, or you can also say drenched. Okay, there is one word which says drenched. Okay, drenched. Okay, then dho 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 varshanti megha satatam. It's like continuously it rains. Now very much like dho 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 varshanti megha satatam. So varshanti is rain, or you can say paring, the par, okay, or shower like. So megha is cloud and satatam is ongoing, like it continuously. The word for satatam is continuously. So you can say the clouds are raining continuously. Okay, dho, raining clouds continuously. Okay, then it says nrutyam kurvanti mayuraste सिंहा गर्जन्ति ननु मेघनादः सत्वरं वहन्ति सागरं नद्यः प्राणा हि प्राणिनां वर्षकालः. And that is from Dr. Sri Hari Gokarnakarah. Okay, he has written that. So very nicely written, right? Nrutyam kurvanti mayuraste. Nrutyam is dance. Kurvanti is do. Mayuraha ste is like mayuraha and te. Okay. Mayuraha is peacocks. Te is like used for poetic effect, or those peacocks you can say. So dance, peacocks are dancing. Okay. Or actually kurvanti is do, but how can you say dance do peacocks? That is not proper English. So you can say the peacocks dance. Those peacocks are dancing, or the peacocks dance. Okay. Simha garjanti nanu meghanadaha. Simha garjanti. Simha is lions. Garjanti is roaring. Nanu is indeed. And meghanadaha is sound of clouds. Megha is cloud. So the cloud, the sound of cloud is indeed like lions are roaring. Okay. Satvaram vahanti sagaram nadyah. Satvaram is very quickly, ekdam fatak se. Vahanti is flow. Sagaram is to the sea. Nadyah is rivers. Rivers, okay. So nadi is one river, Nadyav is two rivers, and Nadyah is many rivers. So Nadi Nadyav Nadyah is one more table which comes in 9th standard. So now you don't have to worry. But still I'm telling you, while you can say Nadi is river. So Nadyah river kaise hota hai? So Nadyah is many rivers. Okay. Satvaram is very quickly. Vahanti is flow. Sagaram is to the sea. And Nadya is river. So rivers flow very quickly towards the sea, to the sea. They flow very quickly. Like prana hi praninam varshakala. Prana is life. He is indeed. So Nanu was also indeed. He is also indeed. And praninam is all lives on the earth. Varshakala is rainy season. So rainy season is like a life to all living beings on the earth. So if there is no rainy season, there is no life, because rains are everything. They give us crops, they give us water, they give us everything. So we should have rains, but they should be in adequate amount. It should rain properly. It should also rain on time, and it should rain like it is necessary. It should not be heavy. It should not be low like that. Okay. So we should preserve nature. If we preserve nature, nature never harms us. So whenever the rains are much more and floods are happening, it is why, because we as humans are not preserving nature. We cut trees, we just go on building things, and like there is no place for water to go, and the water obstructs everywhere. It has no place to go. So where will it go? So you should respect nature. Nature respects you. Okay, so we need to take care of nature, and then nature takes care of us. See, there is um, no life on the earth other than humans who are hurting nature. See, if you see birds, if you see animals, no one hurts nature. They'll take their lives according to the nature. But it's only humans who destruct nature. And so everyone is affected when the nature is affected. So, to protect every other being, also, you need to be kind enough to nurture the nature, take care of nature. Okay. So, finally, this was on rainfall, and I went to nature because I just couldn't stand it. But still, Varsha Kala is rainy season, is like life to all living beings on the earth. Okay. If you want me to read it again, I'll say it. Um, सरसर आयान्ति वर्षधाराः अत्र प्रसन्ना सर्वे जीवाः वृक्षैः प्राप्तं नवजीवनं नृत्यन्ति मोदेन बालाः सततम् धप धप पतन्ति जलप्रपाताः ड्राय ड्राय कुर्वन्ति कूपमण्डूकाः टप टप गायन्ति पर्णेषु बिन्दवः पक्वट्खादने मग्नाः जनाः कृष्णान् मेघान् पश्य आकाशे धडाधडुं गर्जन्ति ते जलेन क्लिन्नं जातम् अङ्गं धो 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 वर्षन्ति मेघाः सततम् नृत्यं कुर्वन्ति मयूरास्ते सीम्वा गर्जन्ति ननु मेघनादः सत्वरं वहन्ति सागरं नद्यः प्राणा हि प्राणिनां वर्षकालः